rsync, does it create a temp file during transfer? As far as I can see, rsync doesn't create the file in the target directory until it is complete. This must mean that it creates the file in a temp directory somewhere and copies the file into the target directory when it is complete. First off, is this correct? If true, is it possible for rsync to set not use a temp directory and instead create the file in the target directory and just keep writing to it until it's complete?
Yes, it does create a temp file. According to the man page, you can specify the directory in which the temp file is stored with the parameter t as in t, temp dir equals dir create temporary files in directory dir. The answer to the second part of your question can also be found there. In place. This option changes how rsync transfers a file when the file's data needs to be updated. Instead of the default method of creating a new copy of the file and moving it into place when it is complete, rsync instead writes the updated data directly to the destination file.
It does create a temp file, by default in the target directory and named .nlt, file_name and gt, .nlt, random_string and gt. So, if you are copying foo.txt, it will create a tmp file called .foo.text.gv4h3. gv4h3 is the random string that will be different every time you run it. You can control this behavior using these rsync options. Please read the relevant parts of the rsync man page. The following is only a small extract of the large section on how to use partial dir.
Rsync creates temporary files in the target directory. That file is named like the source but with an extension. It could be like that. The extension is removed after the file has been verified to be an exact copy of the source. During the renaming process, ownership, permissions and modification time are set. So it is possible that you don't see the file because of the permissions. Make sure that you have enough permission to see all the files as well, those not owned by you, in order to see the temp files.
Rsync